How to assess group activities. The group space is like a classroom with a series of useful options for group work. If your course includes a group activity, the space will have been set up for when the course starts. You can see the groups and the members of the groups in the People section of the Groups tab. If required, before the course starts, you can change the names of the groups. These names will also be seen by the members of the groups. You can also move students between the groups. How to assess group work. First, go to Grades. You can use the group filters to speed the process up. The activity has to be submitted by one member of the group. Once they've submitted it, an icon appears in the assignment column for all the members of the group. The SpeedGrader lets you send comments to all the members of the group or just individual members. If the Assign Grades to each student individually option is enabled, you can give individual students a different grade. To do so, first set a default grade for the whole group. Then, where required, you can change this grade for each individual student. Lastly, from SpeedGrader, you can send feedback comments to all or individual members of the group. How to assess group discussions. In Discussions, go to Groups and select the group depending on the subject covered. In SpeedGrader, go over the contributions made by each student. You can see just their contribution, or you can see it in the context of the discussion. You can then grade it and send a personalized comment. You can find more information on the classroom assessment in Teaching Support.